Tired of fumbling with payments when trying to boost your posts or run ads on Meta? Let's streamline your advertising and financial management by adding a payment method directly within Meta Business Suite. First, navigate to your Meta Business Suite. You can do this by going to businessfacebook.com and logging in. On the left-hand side, find and click on All Tools. It's usually located near the bottom of the menu. Clicking this will expand a wider list of options. Scroll through the expanded menu until you see Billing. Go ahead and click on Billing. This takes you to where you can manage your payment information. Now, look for the Payment Methods section here. You'll see any existing payment methods you have on file. If you don't have any, this section will be empty. Click on the Add Payment Method button. This will open a new window or modal where you can enter your payment details. Choose your preferred payment method. You can typically select from options like credit card, debit card, or PayPal, depending on your region. Enter your payment details carefully, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV code, or log into your PayPal account if that's your chosen method. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. You'll also need to enter your billing address. This must match the address associated with your chosen payment method. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the Save or Add button to save your payment method. And that's it. Your payment method is now added to your Meta Business Suite. You're all set to run ads, boost posts, and manage your business finances effectively.